Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel, One to Step, and it's me Richie Kevin. Let's get into the video on how you guys can log in into HSBC Bank of Canada. Alright, so if you guys do not know this bank, it's a pretty famous bank in Canada, and if you guys have created an account in this bank, then it's pretty beneficial for you. Like, they provide really good interest on your saving account and on the house mortgage as well. They provide like a really nice interest rate. You guys can visit this official website to know more about this stuff. Alright, this video is not on that, this video is on login. So let's get into the point, but before that, do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. Let's move on, shall we? First step, you want to search for HSBC Bank Canada login on your search browser. After you search for it, you want to click on this where it says online banking HSBC Canada. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to its official website over here. Once you're over here, you want to click on log on. Once you click on log on, you want to click on where it says HSBC online banking. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to its website where you guys can log in into your account. Once you're over here, basically what you want to do is you want to enter your username. After you enter your username over here, basically you just want to click on continue. After you do that, it's going to ask for your password. You enter your username, continue, and it's going to ask for your password. After you enter your username and your password, you should be able to log in into your account. So that's basically how simple it is to log in into your account. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys did, be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.